Hi, Wes Scott from Life Back Law. Today I'm going to talk to you estate planning lawyers out there. And I am doing this video in this blog, and the blog title is Estate Planning Lawyers, Bankruptcy Issues, Pitfalls, and How to Avoid Them. I cannot tell you how many times in my career I have seen estate planning things really screw up our clients' bankruptcy, and there's two primary ways that can happen. Number one, I have had people put their children on the title to their homes as a joint tenant, for example. I had one case one time where Grandpa didn't like his kids, and so he took one of his grandkids and said, "Hey, congratulations, you're now a joint tenant with me on the farm." Well, that kid, came in to see me, and he had a family of 5 with his wife and 3 kids, and he had about $60,000 in debt. And I said, the problem you have is Grandpa's just made it an enormous problem for you, because now if you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the farm gets sold. Can't have that happen. Well, then you can do a Chapter 13 where you pay all your creditors in full. I can't do that. Well, then you got to go to Grandpa and say, "Grandpa, you're going to have to pay me some money because you caused me a problem." You're going to mess up the ability of people to file bankruptcy when you give them an asset that's not really theirs. In other words, Grandpa protected himself and his estate planning per his wishes, but then made a problem for grandson. The second issue, remainder interests. You wouldn't believe how many times we've had people, and they don't even know it. I mean, this often comes up. The bankruptcy's closed. I get a phone call. It says, "Hey, Wes, I found out I got this remainder interest on my mom and dad's house, and now they're passed away. We're trying to sell it, and here we discover I've got this interest, but I filed bankruptcy and it wasn't disclosed." You know what's going to happen to that closing? It's going to stop. It's going to halt. And do you know how angry those siblings are going to be about that? They're going to be very angry about it. And so what we have to do is reopen the bankruptcy case, and we have to amend the schedules, and it takes time. And then people find out that my client filed bankruptcy, and so nobody's happy about this. The solution to this, I think you avoid putting people's names on deeds. Don't do it. Put the property, if you have to, into a trust. But don't put it into people's names. It just creates problems in the bankruptcy, and it's embarrassing. It stalls the sale of the property. I think, and I'm not an estate planning lawyer, you are, that a trust is the best way to go. When the time is right, when you are ready for your clients to get their lives back, give us a call at Life Back Law. Go to lifebacklaw.com or reach out to us. You lawyers will be happy to answer your questions. Have a good day.